Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create and insert polls in Outlook and how to check the voting results. First, open Outlook and create new email. Click inside the email body, then go to the Insert tab and select polls. Now enter your question and add the answers options. To add more choices, select Add option. When you are finished adding the options, you can choose whether the recipient can select only one answer or multiple answer. To allow multiple answers, turn on the multiple answer option. Now, how voting works. When you send the email, recipient can vote directly from the poll in the email. This is called an actionable message. In some cases, recipients may instead receive a link to the poll, which opens the voting page in a web browser. Why cannot some recipients see the poll in their email? There are few possible reasons. The poll may be too long. For example, the question is too lengthy, or there are too many answer options. And second, also, if you are using a Microsoft Work or school account and send the poll to the outside your organization, they may receive a link to the poll instead of seeing the poll directly in the email. After sending the poll, you can easily check the voting result. Open the email containing the poll and click the down arrow next to Edit Poll. A menu will appear with three options: Export Result, Close Poll, and View Result. To see who selected each option and review the voting result, click View Result. You can also select Export Result if you want to save the poll responses for further use. And that's it. Now you know how to create a poll in Outlook and check the result. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.